Here's an exercise demonstration video for the incline press. I'm doing this one at home up against my weightlifting keg and a sandbag that I've placed in order to create a little bit of a slope that allows us to get to that incline that we're looking for. You may be able to do this with different equipment or with no equipment at all by holding your body in the proper position. Be warned that if you do that without any bracing, you'll have to lift a little bit lighter load in order to maintain proper spinal alignment and safety. Assuming that you have a surface like this that allows you to lay back and create this angle where when we push vertically, we're no longer working directly outward from our chest, but instead slightly upward. Make sure that when you do this one, you start safely with those weights stacked on your thighs by your knees, and then push up with your knee in order to get those dumbbells headed up. Now make sure that when you do this one, you keep your shoulders safe with a little bit of tone in your abs and a little bit of tone in the upper back and shoulders. So even as I'm pushing up and away, I'm also keeping those shoulder blades squeezed together so that my shoulder joint is not at risk. This way, you can work the chest and shoulders without overdoing it on the joint itself. Make sure that as you do this one, you're keeping this portion vertical. So the forearm should be largely vertical, and that means that the weight is centered above the center of the elbow. As you're pushing those up to the ceiling, they'll be a little narrower at the top and a little further apart from each other at the bottom. Remember here, for the safety, when you exit, we're going to bring those dumbbells down towards your shoulders, touch them to your knees, and roll out right here, making sure to keep those dumbbells under control as you exit. Hope it's helpful. See you next time.